everyone, I'm Gabriel. We are a family of 3 who love to go into adventures. Emily and Papa are fond of filming our trips and eventually decided to share it with you all. We hope to inspire you and join our journey. We are the family side trip. Come on guys, it's gonna be fun.
Where are we going?
Legoland Waterpark. Hey, this Legoland.
Yep. Are you happy?
Yeah,
Where are you?
Legoland Waterpark.
When the Legoland Waterpark reopened last April, we immediately visited it as soon as we got a chance because we knew for sure Gabriel will love it. It is a water park specifically designed for kids 2 to 12 years old. The first thing we did was having a dip in their wave pool and lazy river.
Hey, don't that deep, that's why you're gonna die.
Yeah. Look at it again. 1, 2, 3.
Papa is crazy.
Let's swim. Swim na Papa, go.
Race swimming.
Then Gab took a splash at his favorite area of the water park, the Duplo Splash Safari, where there are 4 toddler-sized slides. Then, we played around at Joker Soaker. The highlight of our water park adventure was when Gab accepted the challenge to ride his first family slide on a round raft. Of course, he was hesitant at first, but we promised to pass by the Legoland theme park if he'll try.
No, it's just one of this.
Just one and then we're gonna...
Go home na.
No.
No, okay. If you ride this, we're not gonna go home.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Legoland later.
Yeah. Oh, if you ride this, we're gonna go to Legoland.
Oh, yeah, later. Okay?
First we go to the mini one.
Oh, yeah.
And I will try the necklace.
What else? Submarine?
Yeah.
Yeah, but if only
you have to
only
ride
if you
this,
ride this, huh?
Deal?
Deal or no deal?
Legoland. There are so many Legos in there.
Yay.
We're gonna ride the red and yellow boat. Yeah! Big one like that, the red one.
Before we had our lunch, Neil and I won't miss our chance to try the big kids slides because why not, since we are still kids at heart. Then we let Gab decide where he wants to spend the rest of the afternoon. Visiting the Legoland Waterpark has some perks like free kids meal with every purchase of a regular meal from 4 p.m. and a free entry to Legoland Theme Park after 5 p.m.
What are you eating?
Popcorn.
Show them.
Show the bucket. Did you finish it all? Who finished it? Yeah, you finished it.
Gab, what's your favorite place on earth?
Legoland, Legoland, Legoland!
We made a quick stop over Gab's favorite place on earth, the Legoland Theme Park, where he took another challenge. That is to ride his first roller coaster ride. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to write your comments below. And if you want to see more, just click the subscribe button because next week, we will take you to one of the popular beach destinations here in UAE.
Where are you?
Inside this building.
What building is this?
Mosque.
It's the Grand Mosque.
It's the Grand Mosque.
Yeah, Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi.
We were already exhausted, but we stayed until the park closed. After a very long day, We went home tired but overjoyed. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to rate and subscribe.